Where to find the best sites. Things to do while traveling. Hi. Here you will find where to solve your questions about what is fun stuff to do in a blizzard. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about what is fun stuff to do in a blizzard is blog.funmama.net. See the page titled Fun Mama, Things to Do in a Blizzard, or We're Bored. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.wikihow.com, especially the page How to Have Fun in a Blizzard, 9 Steps, with pictures. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site thecandle2.wordpress.com. The web page 10 Things to Do During a Blizzard Thekindle 2. Here's the link.